Trying to figure out origami crafts. I want him to dance right here. That'd be a great song. I'm gonna get soaked.
Michael, water's coming in. You close the window with the AC.
That feel good? Feel that breeze just shoot in? You could show them the dolphin
There you go.
I could show them all how to swim.
Yes.
Like, I was gonna be a lifeguard.
They probably swim much better than you.
No, they don't.
They live on the ocean!
They just splash around. They don't
Yeah, they don't swim like me.
They may not.
They all
gonna
go
get-
diving.
You're gonna get to learn how to kite and foil.
Okay, I'm scared
Don't
of
get
that
hurt.
one.
Yeah, no jumping off the mast of the boat.
Oh no, I'm totally doing that. I'm totally doing that.
Okay, so Adri, tell us what you're so excited about.
I have applied to become part of the Sailing ZATARA crew and sail with them in the Middle East for a month.
Okay, who's sailing ZATARA?
Oh, they're a popular sailing family
They-
that we've been watching
They are me and
the past 2
Adri's
years.
channel. We watch
They're
them
like
all the
are
time.
Inspirational.
We love them, and we would love to get a sailboat, mostly because of them.
Because of them.
Well, actually, we wanted a sailboat first, which is why we were looking them up. But
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, we were looking up sailing.
So we
for
found
sail,
them,
and
and
we
they
found
made us
them,
want
and
it
we just
more.
loved it. And now we really want to go. I've said for so long, if I could only just get on Sailing ZATARA and they could teach me how to sail, I'd be set. I'd be fine with that.
and now they're looking for
And now
two
they're
young
looking
adults.
for young adults to sail with them for a month so they can learn everything.
And they're looking for someone to come just at the same time we were going to Europe anyway, like the same time. So we were already going overseas because you have to pay for your flights and all that. And we were going to be flying over there anyway. So everything like lines up really, really well on our part.
Yes.
Hopefully it lines up on their part. Right?
Sailing ZATARA, they announced that they're going to be taking 2 18, 19-year-olds on their ship as crew while they go on the Red Sea. I have applied to be with them for a month. And now I have to see if they get back to me and they think I'm interesting enough to bring on their ship for a month. It's kind of scary. I have no idea what they're gonna say. I'm obviously sending this very premature because I have no idea if they're even gonna see mine. But, oh my gosh. I might be with this boating family that I've been watching for the past 2+ years and be sailing with them for a month. What'd they say?
Okay, they said,
Please.
please have her post at least a 1-minute video on your Instagram feed and tag them and tell them why they should consider you.
It's now an audition.
No! I was worried they'd do this to me.
Toby,
Toby, they're making me do what you did.
They're making her do an audition.
Oh my god.
so you have to do an Instagram post and tag them.
Oh my god.
So you tag all 4 of them.
all 4 of them. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
It's terrible.
You get to show your personality, your bubbly, your hard work, your
What did I say?
your passion,
Just
anything.
that I'm a swimmer and I want a boat. Okay, I'm gonna talk to myself for a while so that I don't feel nervous, and I kind of know what I'm gonna say. Hello, Sailing ZATARA people, crew. This is my video audition. Hi, my name's Adri Boyd. I am. No. Hi. Oh man, it would just be so cool. It would just be so cool if that could happen. Hi guys. I have been obsessed with getting a sailboat and living on it for the past 2 years. And around that time, I found your guys' channel and I was like, oh my gosh, people actually do this. This is amazing. You seem like a super fun family from the videos. I don't know what else to say. This feels weird. I enjoy the sunshine. I enjoy doing things instead of just sitting around, which is why I don't have my own social media and I'm posting this on my parents' Instagram. Anyways, I really, really hope I'm picked. It would just be an absolute dream come true. I don't want to say that. I'm not camera shy. You won't have to worry about that. Hello. You guys? Shh. No, you go. You go. Guess I might see you guys. Hi, ZATARA crew. I'm Adri. I am 18 years old, about to be 19.
So we've been spending the last week or so trying to avoid the heat, trying to stay cool a bit, and getting rid of stuff in the bus. So we have sold a ton of stuff. We took a large lot of donations to Goodwill yesterday, and so the bus is starting to empty out. We've gone through some of the bays underneath. We minimized tools. We are going to take a load and store in our red van in Louisiana because we're not quite ready to get rid of everything, but we are limited to 1 red van's worth of stuff, and what we decided to take with us to Europe, that's it. We're gonna go and check out backpacks. We need them to be pretty good quality and very comfortable to carry because we tend to do a lot of walking when we go location to location. If we don't have a rental vehicle, if we're taking the train or the bus, then we're gonna end up walking from train stations to Airbnbs because that's how we roll. It's a lot cheaper
That's how we roll.
It's a lot cheaper than taking 2 cabs because we have to take at least 2 everywhere we go. So we're looking for some backpacks today. I love how everyone fixes their hair and the reflection on the window.
Me too. Secret tunnels, Toby. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you look like a real backpacker.
Except for the dress.
Except for the dress. You want to just take that, Toby? Just a little water bag? That's your contribution to taking our stuff?
I get the water for myself.
What did you find, Levi? Bug spray?
Bug?
This gun works.
If you see,
Could've done
hey,
it.
if you see, one of those flash that and one of those moves,
You want to shoot it?
then that means you got a point.
That right there, and you shoot a little green surface if you want. Boom! Got it.
Dang, bro.
Bethany. Come on, curly head. Come on, curly head.
You gotta look through this and have this tick at the end, right in there, and it's gotta be aiming at it.
I don't know. This gun is a bit big.
Yeah, you don't. You're too small for it.
You're intense, girlfriend.
Oh, did I hit one?
You ready, Levi? He's like, what is happening?
I'll help you hold it. Boom! First shot. Let's get that raccoon.
Oh, hey, this is a good song.
Ooh, got the raccoon. We love each other.
We're gonna go and try on REI, which I have never been in an REI. I have heard of them because Zero Shoes sells shoes at REI, so I know of them, but I've never been in one, so this will be an experience. But we're gonna grab some lunch first because everyone's getting hungry and crabby. So lunch and then to REI.
Alright guys, I gotta tell you a little bit of a story. So, you guys might know this already, but I don't have any gaming systems or anything because I live in a bus and mom doesn't really like gaming systems. But I play mobile games, and there's this one guy that I always watched for like 3 years now. His name's Ducky the Gamer. He was a Fortnite mobile gamer. He was crazy. He could build like crazy, like way better than controller players. I was watching his live stream earlier.
But he's really excited right now.
I was watching his live stream earlier, and I commented because he pointed me out yesterday as just a guy with a weird account because I was really low level. And I commented about it and said, hey, I was the guy with the really low level, and he was like, sup, Toby? I was like, oh my god.
No, he smirked.
Okay, so he was like, sup, Toby? And they said, if anything, I'm bringing guys back to the game. And I was like, yeah.
So Toby's really excited that Ducky shouted him out. He's moving up in the world.
Ducky! Ducky, if you're watching this, probably not, but if you're watching this,
If you're watching this, subscribe and like.
subscribe and like. That's right.
No.
Bro.
Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's comfy. I like it. It's much comfier than the other ones because, like, that you were trying on at the Max Motor Shop. Because I tried on one there, and the big thing on top of the backpack just makes my neck feel like this.
Right.
With this, it's much better because it doesn't have that.
It looks good on you. Ooh. You've got little pockets. Spin. Wow. You getting the black one?
Get the black backpack, bro.
Wiggling your hips, but I can't see it on the camera.
Whoop. That's only for the members.
Feel like I'm ready to take on the world.
You are.
Europe, here we come.
You have a whistle.
Yeah, in case of an emergency, I have a whistle on my buckle.
Oh my gosh.
Just go.
You have a whistle too?
In case a bear comes on me. A Rocky Rush.
I'm going to be zooming with Sailing ZATARA today at 12 o'clock.
I thought it was
Terrifying, I know.
Awesome.
Hey.
So, Adri, you sent in the very first proper Instagram video, and then your dad sent in the next proper Instagram video.
Hey, Sailing ZATARA, it's Michael Boyd from Boyd Family Adventures. And I want to give you all the reasons why you shouldn't pick her. I thought you guys should know this. She works too hard and we cannot afford to have you guys take her. So if you guys take her, we'll never see her again. She'll probably be playing little bars in, well, I don't know where, somewhere.
Excited to go with you, learn a little bit more about you, and see if you be a good fit for our adventure.
Well, okay, so my family was like, you want to get into sailing? I was like, yes, I want to get into sailing. And they were like, well, how are you going to go about that? We live in Alberta, so it's like landlocked. There's no water anywhere. And then, of course, you guys are all like, hey, want to come over? I'm like, yes, yes, I do.
It was nice to meet you all.
Yes, you
You'll
guys
be good, and we'll be letting you know.
All right.
Okay,
See
bye. That was amazing. That was scary. That was crazy. And I guess we'll see what happens next. I have no idea what's gonna happen next. We'll see what happens next.
All right, it has been a whirlwind of a day today. It's been kind of crazy. I looked at the clock and I was like, what, it's 4 o'clock? And Michael's like, yeah, I keep telling you. And I was like, I thought it was noon. It's just been crazy. Michael woke me and Adri up at 6:30 this morning because Sailing ZATARA had messaged Adri back that they want to do a Zoom call with us. And of course, neither of us could go back to sleep. So we did that, which kind of started off our day, which was crazy. And then after the Zoom, then Toby got an email from the J-Stu people giving details about where we're heading to next week and what to do. So then that took up some hype, phonetic, whatever. Took up some time processing all of that. It has been a crazy day. Our bus is looking half empty and the other half just a mess because nothing's organized now. So it's kind of crazy in there. We're all tired from working our butts off and all of the emotional ups and downs that have come with all of these opportunities the last 2 days.
Roller coaster.
It's just been roller coaster, like trying not to get your hopes up too much, but being excited about the opportunities for Toby and for Adri, and then of course for the rest of us as their family. It's just been crazy. I'm hardly sleeping at night. There's so much going on right now, and after the last 2 years kind of being really slow and kind of monotonous, we kind of like things a little bit faster paced, but this is just like 2 years worth of faster pace.
Double time.
All at once. We had to make U-turns because I am recording while the map is going and not giving directions. So I'm gonna get off here now.